Good. We have B.Sc Chemistry in Education here, and we'll have a lot of courses here to register. But this is the first semester. It's normal. It's normal. That's why you have this. So you ordinarily you're supposed to register all of them and then make sure you pass all of them. But here you're expected to pass 21 units out of this first semester. So you have these fees. 3 units is 2,005 for course registration. Then 1 unit and 2 units is 2,000 for course registration. Exam registration for each course is 1,000. It's a flat fee for every undergraduate in NOUN. And you also have the first compulsory fee of 36,000. For undergraduates still. Then that's you. That is studying basic chemistry as undergraduate. Then if you sum this up, this is how we did it. These fees you are paying for registration fees are actually for the textbooks. That's why I entitled it course materials. That's course material fee or textbook fees. That's what this represents. So if you sum this up, 2,000 plus 1,000 is 30,000. It goes down that way. You have 36,500. Sum the two up, you have 72,500 as your first semester fee for 100 level. But from second semester, you'll be paying 18,000 as compulsory fee instead of 36. Okay. Then we go to 100 level second semester, and then here are your courses. Out of this 20, 17 is required of you to pass here, and then you have sum the fees up as usual. There's a little error here. This is supposed to be 2,500, so you'll be adding 500 to the total fee. Supposed to 3 units is 2,500, so you add it 500 here. With this, you can see it's 18,000. This compulsory fees now 18,000. So you have 48,500 as your total fee for this semester. Then 200 level first semester. These are your courses. All of them are required. If you are a direct entry student, you are expected to pick GST 107 from 100 level. Add it to your 19 credit units here. You'll be having 21. You'll be carrying 21 instead of 19 the others are carrying. So anyway, that's how it works. And here there's an error. Instead of 2,500, I wrote 2,000 as an error. So you'll be adding 500 to the total fee. You can see your total fee here, 45,000. Add 500 to it. That would be your first semester 200 level school fee. Then 200 level second semester is a flat credit unit and flat fees as well. All of them are required of you to pass. Pass or even score distinction or A, all of them excellent. Not just a pass. So you have a total fee of 42,000 after usual calculations for 200 level second semester. Then we have 300 level first semester here. A teaching practice is included. Yes, it's not examinable. You don't write the exam for it, so there is no exam fee for it as well. The registration fee is 10,000 for it. It's a standard. It's a standard fee. So out of this 26, only 24 is required of you. Don't have to register the entire 26, although you cannot register the entire 26. But if you wish to register anyone left, then you take it to the next, any of the next or future semesters and add it there. So you have a total fee of 57,500. That's your school fees for 300 level first semester. Then 300 level second semester, these are your courses. You're expected to pass all of them, register all and pass all. Flat fees, and you have 35,000 as your school fees 300 level second semester, then 400 level first semester. These are your courses. You have a second teaching practice here. A second teaching practice. No fees as well. Out of all 21 units you have here, 19 is required of you to pass. 19. If you pass up to 19 credits units, whichever one you fail, you may not need to retake it. So you have a total fee of 53,000 here as your school fee for 400 level first semester. So you have 400 level second semester, which includes, these are your courses, and it includes a project, a research project. 15,000 is the standard fee for research projects in NOUN. So you are expected to register all of this and pass them all. Your last school fees, assuming you never carried anything over, but even if you had some carryover, you can add them here. You can see 14 out of 24. You have 10 unused credit units to add any leftover courses. Okay, so you have 48,000 as your last school fee here. Now you have registered, assuming you registered all of them as they are in this video, you have registered 172 credit units. That's the total credit units carried. That's the number you've registered. Then total credit required. But if you have made up to 160, assuming you failed up to 12, you register all of these courses here, but you failed up to 12 unit courses, you will still be a graduate. Then for direct entry students, 130. If you made it to 130 up to 130 credit units, you will be awarded a degree in this chemistry.